Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Jukamo, and it is a gray water bottle holder by I think it's Dikuer, Dikuer, or Dikuer, I don't know. Here's the little information. That's what the brand looks like. And this is what the bottle holder looks like here. It comes with a strap, comes with a little silver lining inside of it. You can kind of see there, so it's nice there. And you can put a water bottle like I have here, one of these Stanley water bottles, into it, and I can cinch it all up and keep it closed. I have a section up front here. I could put my phone or something else in there. It comes with a little black liner here. Oh, it even has a little clip. I could clip my keys onto it, which is nice. And it's got a little bungee part there. I can keep some extra wires. I could keep pens and whatever else in these three sections here, or even maybe like credit cards or something like that if I wanted to. And then up here, I have another little pocket with some mesh in it to keep some other stuff. So depending on what I want to do, it's got a lot of places for stuff. And on the side, it's got a pocket over here and a pocket over there. And then we have our strap holder here. So this, we can strap on this holder here. So if comes with a little carabiner kind of clip there and there. So now I can carry my little bag with my water bottle in it and have it wherever I go. So it's kind of cool. So if people like to bring your water bottles, you don't have to bring such a huge water bottle as this. I could fit something else if I have I don't have a lot of water bottles here in my house, but I have a smaller, like a little smaller Yeti kind of one here. I can put that in here and cinch it up. And then I always have water on the go, or even a water bottle or soda from, just to carry, to always have something along when you want to drink. So you can just always keep it with you and have it as, going to activities and whatever. So when I go places, I always want to make sure I have water because I am the thirstiest person in the world. So I am drinking, and also because I'm trying to exercise and stuff, I just really need to drink a lot of water in my day. So I always want to have water with me, and I've been carrying around like one of those, I probably have the bag over there somewhere, like a little Lululemon kind of bag. But this here is going to give me the ability to carry this around maybe instead. I don't know. I'll give it a try. As a cross bag here so I can have my water with me everywhere and have my wallet and everything else whenever I go somewhere to go just out for the day. I'm not going to carry this around on a daily basis, but you get the idea. So it's kind of a nice little pouchy thing here and really comfortable and nice soft material. And it's got the nice plastic coolery kind of insert in there too. So I could even put a sandwich or something. So going hiking or something like that even, I could just bring this along or on my bike or scooter or whatever. So I like it. Thumbs up for me on the Dikuer, or Dikuer, I don't know, but thumbs up. I like it.